Hi, hello, good afternoon. Today I am going to show you how to make kirai stems rasam. Here I have taken Siri stems. Wash well. After that, cook this with water and strain the water. If we got any swelling or if we are having water body, it removes the water from our body. Here I have taken some ghee. After that added mustard, jeera, urad, hing, garlic, tomato, curry leaves. Now I am going to add little tamarind. After that pepper, jeera powder and dhania powder, salt. Now I am going to switch off the stove and strain the water. Add this water to the tomatoes. Now add to the pan. Cook for 5 minutes. Our Siri kirai stems rasam is ready to serve with rice. You can drink like soup also. It is very good for health. It removes excess water from the body. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye. Add coriander leaves and switch off the stove.